Alright everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're going to walk you through how to update your AirPods firmware to the latest version. It's easier than you think. First things first, we need to make sure your AirPods are charged up. To check this, open your AirPods case next to your iPhone. Your iPhone should display the charge status. Ideally, your earbuds should be at 100%, and the AirPods case needs to be at least 50% or more. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. As of this video, that's iOS 18.1. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to connect the AirPods to your iPhone. Open the AirPods case and put the AirPods in your ears so they're fully connected. Once connected, close the AirPods case and set it aside. Now, here's the slightly odd part. We need to listen to some audio. Just something brief, from 5 to 30 seconds. For this example, I'm going to open YouTube and listen to the W Show by LT. Now that we've listened to some audio, we need to disconnect the AirPods from our iPhone. Open the AirPods case again, put the AirPods back inside the case, close the case, and set it next to your iPhone. Then, lock your iPhone. This is the waiting game part. You want to keep your iPhone and your AirPods case right next to each other for anywhere from 2 minutes to 30 minutes. This allows the AirPods firmware to update in the background. In my experience, it usually only takes about 2 minutes, but your results may vary. So be patient. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let's check if our AirPods have been updated. Unlock your iPhone and connect the AirPods to your iPhone again by putting the earbuds back in your ears. Once you've done that, close the AirPods case and set it down next to your iPhone. Now, let's check for that update. Go into your iPhone's system settings. If your AirPods are connected, you should see them at the top of the settings menu. If you don't see them, go into Bluetooth settings and make sure your AirPods are connected from there. Once connected, click on the little eye information icon next to your AirPods. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see Version. Your firmware version should now be updated to the latest version. As of recording this video, the latest version is 7B10 for the AirPods Pro 2 case with USB-C. And that's it. Your AirPods have been updated. Now you can enjoy the new features and use them as you normally would. If you want to double-check the latest firmware version for your specific AirPods model, head to the Apple website. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Scroll down to Latest Firmware Versions, and you'll see a list of the latest versions for all AirPods models. And that's how you update the firmware version for your AirPods. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.